Everyone, here I'm showing some my client result. That's a Let's say I'm searching on nitrogen on screen, and let's enter it, and you can see it. This our client website is rank 5. You can see it because we are do the SEO, and let me show you the traffic as well and how the impression we got. Okay, so let's say you can see this Sub-Zero ice cream, and this is the not any screenshot. Okay, this is, let's say I'm just refresh on it, and you can check on it. Okay, you can see it is 15,000 traffic in the last 28 days, and you get the amazing design. You can also analyze the traffic is most from coming from is the organic search because of the high competitor keyword in Google top 5, and this you can see it is a 14K this traffic as well. And also I can show you this impression as well. Let's say here I'm showing in last 28 days. Okay, so you can see the 2065K this gets the impression and total 11.1K, and then we are the increase the traffic, and you can see over as the position as well. If this keyword is ranking in this position as well, let's say with the nitrogen asking the rank the 3.5, and this nitrogen asking me 3.7. It is almost client via the rank on Google tab. Let's say I'm showing this from other project as well, and this is one of this also one of the USS projects. This client is main keyword is what is the rental, and they want to rank in Google Jobs. And we can see this we are the starting just 3 months. Just 3 months we are starting working in SEO in this project, and you can watch the result. When we are starting, either nothing from it likes is zero, but when we have got do the SEO and the traffic is coming for increase in a daily, it is get with 25 clicks and 300 and 585 clicks impression as well. And you can see the impression as well. Let's say I'm analysis with 28 days as well. And you can see the 85.5K is impression. And let's say then searching with keyword. And here you can see our client is ranking it too. And do you want the same kind of result you want to generate for your business? So you can just directly the book this meeting, the link is a button, and you can just book this free meeting, and we will be completely guide you how to this type of traffic it get for your business.